Hello students, let us start with exercise 6.2 of chapter 6 Linear Inequality NCERT Mathematics plus 1. Basically this chapter is of graphical content in linear inequalities. Let us start with question number 1. In question number 1, equation is given to you x plus y less than 5. Let it be number 1. For graphical purposes, let us suppose x plus y is equal to 5. Then we can write y is equal to 5 minus x. By inserting some values of x, you can calculate easily the value of y. Then indicate all these values on the graph. This value is minus 3, 8. You can see clearly. Minus 2, 7, minus 1, 6, 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, and 3, 2. Now what are the important points you have to note down? The line is drawn dotted because less than sign is there. If there is a sign of less than equal to, then you have to draw the dark line. This one is the important point. And second point is you have to shade the graph on either this side or this side. Now how to calculate that area? Simply insert x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. Number 1. Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in number 1. 0 plus 0 less than 5. It means 0 is less than 5, which is true. Therefore, shade the region or shade the area containing 0, 0 side. This one. 0, 0 lies here. It means you have to shade this side. This one is the content. Because 0 is less than 5, it means you have to shade the area where 0, 0 lies. These are the important points. First of all, I repeat again, you have to calculate the value of x and y from this equation. Then draw the graph, and graph should be like that. If equality sign is there, you have to draw the dark line. If only less than or greater than sign is there, you have to draw the dotted line. Second one, you have to insert 0, 0 in the equation and check whether the statement is true or false. If the statement is true, it means shade the region where 0, 0 lies, otherwise on the other side. Like this. 0, 0 lies in this region, it means you have to shade this region. Let us check the second question. Here equality sign is there. 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. For graph, you can write 2x plus y is equal to 6. It means y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now simply calculate some values and draw these values on the graph. Minus 3, 12, first value. Minus 2, 10, second value. Minus 1, 8, then 0, 6, 1, 4, 2, 2, and 3, 0. Now insert 0, 0 in equation number 1. 0 greater than equal to 6, which is false. It means you have to shade this region. Because 0, 0 lie on this side, it means you have to shade this area. This arrowhead represents the shading region. Basically, you have to shade this region of the graph. Now question number 3. The statement is 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Let it be number 1. For graph, you can write 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Then y can be written as 12 minus 3x divided by 4. Simply insert some values. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then calculate the value of y. Now indicate all these values on the graph. Minus 3, 5.25, and minus 2, 4.5, minus 1, 3.75, then 0, 3, 1, 2.25, 2, 1.5, 3, 0.75. Now put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in number 1. You will find 0 less than equal to 12, which is true. Therefore, shade the area containing 0, 0 side. It means you have to shade this area, this region. Arrowhead represent that you have to shade this region because 0 less than equal to 12 is true. If it is false, it means you have to shade this region. Let us start with question number 4. Y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. It means you can write 2x minus y is equal to 8 for equation, or y is equal to 2x minus 8. Now calculate the values. Minus 3, when you put x is equal to minus 3, clearly y is equal to minus 14. If you insert x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 12, then minus 1, minus 10, 0, minus 8, 1, minus 6, 2, minus 4, and 3, minus 2. When you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in number 1, you will get 0 plus 8 greater than equal to 0. It means 8 greater than equal to 0, which is true. It means you have to shade the region where 0, 0 lies. It is the region here 0, 0 lies. It means you have to shade this region, not this one. Arrowhead represent that you have to shade this region. Question number 5. X minus y less than equal to 2. For the graph, x minus y can be written as 2. It means you can write y is equal to x minus 2. Simply insert x is equal to minus 3. It's minus 5. The value of y is minus 5. Then minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Simple linear equation is there. 2, 0 and 3, 1. Then insert x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in number 1. You will get 0 plus 0 less than equal to 2 and 0 less than equal to 2, which is true. Therefore, shade the area containing 0, 0 side. This one, you have to shade this region. Arrowhead represent that you have to shade this region. These are the 5 questions of exercise 6.2. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, I will explain about question number 6 to 10 of this exercise.